The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain how to request a new judge in Illinois family and civil litigation cases. There's 4 scenarios in which you can file a motion for substitution of judge. One is conflict of interest, another is substitution as a matter of right, a third is substitution for cause, and a fourth is substitution in certain contempt proceedings. We're going to talk about each one of these and the grounds for substitution of a judge in each of these scenarios. Let's first talk about a conflict of interest. If the judge has a conflict of interest, either party can request at any time that the judge be substituted, or the court can do this without the motion of either party. So what's a conflict of interest? Conflict of interest occurs if the judge is party to or has an interest in the outcome of the case, if the judge's testimony is relevant and important to the case, if the judge is related to either party, or if the judge has served as an attorney for either party with respect to the matter before the court. So again, this can be done at any time. Substitution as a matter of right, on the other hand, can only be done once by each party automatically without having to show any cause for it, but it has to be done before the hearing or trial or before the judge has ruled on any substantial issue in the case. A substantial issue is something that goes towards the merits of the case as opposed to a mere procedural issue. Even if the judge has ruled on a substantial issue, you can still do a substitution as of right if all parties consent, or if the party seeking the substitution has not yet filed an appearance and has not been found in default. So this means the substantial issue was ruled on before the party got into the case. Substitution as a matter of right can be requested by motion and doesn't usually require a hearing. And again, this is a situation where you don't have to show conflict of interest or any good cause. You just get one substitution automatically as long as you do it in a timely manner. Let's next talk about substitution for cause. This is a little bit more complicated than substitution as of right. If you want to get a substitution for cause, you have to file a verified petition supported by an affidavit setting forth a good reason that the judge should be substituted. Unlike a substitution as a matter of right, a hearing will be held in front of a different judge to determine whether you've shown a good reason why the judge should be substituted. Also, unlike a substitution as a matter of right, this is not limited to one substitution per party, so you can do this as many times as you need to if you have good cause to do so. Finally, substitution of judges in contempt proceedings. If a contempt proceeding arose from the defendant's attack on the character or conduct of the judge occurring outside of open court, the defendant has a right to have a different judge rule on whether he or she should be held in contempt. And you request this like a substitution for cause by filing a verified petition seeking substitution of judge. Whenever you're filing a motion or petition for substitution of judge, you have to give reasonable notice to the other parties in the case, and what's reasonable varies from court to court. And again, if in the case of substitution for cause, a hearing will be held. In the case of substitution as a matter of right, you generally don't need a hearing. It just kind of happens automatically. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to us on Apple Music, SoundCloud, YouTube, or go to our website, learn-about-law.com, to sign up for our email list, and you'll get notified of our article and video topics that we post on a daily basis. If you need some help, give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.